Hey everybody, welcome to RB Outdoors. Tonight I am up Stevens Pass, sleeping in a snow cave, and I'm going to cook cast iron ribeye steaks in a tequila lime sauce with a baked potato. So I'm just going to take the baked potato and throw it in the fire, no foil. Just rotate it with my leather glove every 10-15 minutes. And basically what that does, the potato will burn down about just that much, make a crust around it. And when it's done, you just kind of peel that crust off. You don't need no foil, no oil, no pan, no oven. I just throw them in the fire. So we're going to put that in. It's going to take about 45 minutes or so maybe, and then we're going to start on that cast iron ribeye with the tequila lime sauce. Okay everybody, my potato is just about done, and tonight I am going to cook for the first time on a Lixada stove. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is L-I-X-D-A. This is a wood burning stove. This is a titanium. I haven't cooked on it before, but I'm going to put a cast iron on it. I thought, why not? If it can work out in these conditions, well, it could work anywhere. So let's get this thing fired up. I got my chunk of fire starter in there. Alright, the stove is probably could go another couple of minutes before I put the pan on, but I am starving and it's really starting to come down again. So got the cast iron. I'm going to put a little pat of butter in there. Butter is like rocks. And at home I did a little chop of shallots and a little fresh garlic. Got my ribeye. She's still frozen. It's 26 degrees, so I can't quite get it to room temperature, but there we go. Got a good sizzle. And I got some kosher salt, granulated garlic, and coarse black pepper. So I gotta say, I'm getting a pretty good sear on that pan. And I haven't added any more wood to the stove. So far so good for the first time cooking on it. We're a few minutes away from adding the tequila and cream and lime. Once this is about medium rare, I'm going to wrap it in some foil and set it next to the fire while I make the sauce. And then once the sauce is done, it is time to eat. Alright, I got the steak in the foil. I'm going to add some more butter. Alright, added my shallots. I'm going to saute those a little bit, and then I'm going to add the cream. Oh, and the tequila. Now I have about, I'd say about an ounce of tequila in here. Tequila's in, no flare up, that's good. Now I'm going to add the cream. Alright, so I got the cream, and I am by myself, so I'm going to make a very small batch. There's really no recipe, if you will. If you're cooking for 2 or 4, obviously more shallots, more butter, more cream. Oh, looks like the cream's a little frozen. Yeah, I don't think cream is supposed to be that way. That's pretty good. I'm going to let this thicken up. You can taste the hint of tequila, the shallots, the garlic, black pepper. I'm looking at the temperature gauge right now, and it says 24 degrees. No wonder my cream was frozen. Alright, I just peeled the burnt skin off my potato. Steaks like that medium rare. Now, I don't know how well this is going to be picked up, but oh man, put some on the potato there. I don't know how well the light's picking this up. Well, sorry about the lighting, but there it is. Cast iron ribeye with a tequila lime sauce and baked potato thrown directly into the fire without foil or anything. I'm going to eat this before it gets cold because it is still coming down. So while I'm eating this, enjoy the scenery that I videoed today in pictures. I got the little wood stove fired up, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. I mean, within about 2 minutes I had a nice flame like this. A lot easier than building a great big fire if you don't need one. So I'm gonna get some water going, I'm gonna get some coffee going, and take a few pictures. And man, it's not blue skies, but it's not snowy skies. So I'm looking forward to not getting snowed on all day. I had the whipping cream from the tequila sauce last night. I was going to put some in my coffee, but oh, there it is. Well, I guess frozen cream is better than no cream. Look at this thing, man. This thing is awesome. So I put, this is 24 ounces, and I probably have another 12 ounces in here. And I had this boiling in about 6 minutes, and I mean a big, good boil. Actually, was questioning it, like, is that boiling already? So this little stove kicks out some great BTUs. And look at it. I mean, I got some nice heat coming out of here. And all I'm burning is a little chunks of kindling that I split up. And you just put it in here. Great alternative to not having a great big ground fire. So if all you're doing is boiling some water, want to heat your hands, it works pretty good. I see myself using this quite a bit.